Is your MacBook running slow, acting buggy, or are you preparing to sell it? A full reset can feel like a fresh start, but the word reset can mean different things. In this video, we'll cover the complete process, from a simple refresh to a full factory restore. Let's get started. Important first step, backup. Before we do anything, this is the most critical step. Back up your data. If you have a time machine backup, you're all set. If not, please copy your important files to an external hard drive. Once we erase the drive, your data will be gone for good. Okay, with that out of the way, let's begin. Step 2. Reset MacBook. Navigate to System Settings. Then under System Settings, go to General option. Under General Settings, scroll down and click Transfer or Reset option. Migration Assistant window will open. Now press Erase all content and settings. Erase Assistant will ask for administrator credentials. Provide password and click Unlock button. You will get final warning about all content and settings will erase. Press Continue button. In the next steps, you will ask password to sign out all your account. Provide password and press Continue button. MacBook will restart. Go to Disk Utility Reinstall to Mac OS again. And that's it. You've successfully reset your MacBook. You can now restore from your time machine backup during the setup process. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more Mac Guide. Thanks for watching.